Hey, I'm Guy Cordell, founder and CEO of Intelligent Design Manufacturing. I'm here to introduce the X-Scrub Rider 36. It's a 54-gallon capacity, 36-inch cleaning path, ride-on automatic floor scrubber. It puts water down, scrubs the surface, sucks the water back up. It's got a magnetic hub design for the pad drivers and brushes. It's got a single dial that allows the user to use a pictogram to operate all the functions. It'll drop the water, turn the brushes on, turn the vacuum on to squeegee all the water. It also has an eco mode that will lower the decibels of the machine and prolong the battery life. It's got front LED lights that come standard on the unit. It's a 36-volt system. You can get that in AGM, wet, or lithium. We always recommend to use a microfiber dust mop to pick up all the dry debris first before you use the wet scrubber. You want to pick up the leaves, the dust, the piece of pallet, those types of things out on the floor that are not good for the machine. We have the machines in stock, ready to ship today. For more information, give us a call or click on the link below. We'd love the opportunity to give you a demo today.